I wanted to show you this rabbit's foot fern, which is very popular as a houseplant, and it's one of the easiest ferns to actually grow indoors. Many ferns are really sensitive to the environment and really need humidity, but these rabbit's foot ferns of the genus Davallia, they don't need high humidity. And I wanted to particularly show you their most unusual rhizome roots, which are covered in trichome hairs, and this is how they can absorb much of their water, as well as protecting the root system. So these ferns get their toughness from these hairs which grow on the roots, and hopefully you can really see them clearly here. If you soak the plant in water, it will absorb water onto these hairs, and they'll eventually get transported into the roots. And you can see these roots are very extensive and the hairs are very long, and you can see there a new frond coming out of the root here, and just there, look, you can see it growing from the rhizome. And these rhizomes are very decorative. They're not colourful, but they're unusual. And it's nice to see them in a collection because they add variety and interest as a plant. And eventually they'll cover the pot and hang down if you have them in a hanging basket. But not just these plants, I wanted to show you how they differ a little bit from Tillandsias, which also have trichomes, but not on the rhizomes, on the roots, but on the leaves. And I'll show you one of these now. This is Tillandsia buttsii, and I'm trying to focus on the trichomes here. The trichomes aren't actually on the rhizomes or the roots. They're on the leaves, and it's having a bit of difficulty focusing here, but never mind. You can just see these trichomes. They're powdery white in appearance, and if you water Tillandsias by throwing them in a bucket, these plants take the water up through the trichomes, and as you'll see, this plant has got no roots at all, but I've had it for several years, and it's grown and flourished just by being placed in a bucket of water to allow the water to be soaked up through the trichomes in the leaves. And hopefully in a few years this plant will continue to grow and flower. So that's trichomes on the surface of roots, rhizomes and leaves, and these trichomes have multiple purposes. They do take up water, they protect the rhizome from damage, and also because they're white, they protect the plant's roots from excessive sunlight which may shine on it. This plant is quite old now. I've had it a number of years. The old rhizomes go brown. I'm not sure why that is. The younger ones are white, but it does add a nice colour palette to the whole plant. And it's nice to have them in a collection. And I'm interested to see how all these plants will do in the coming year if it's extremely hot again. And it'll be important to keep these plants cool somehow. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.